Just one more book, one more workshop, one more 30-day challenge, and then, finally, I'll be fixed. Sounds familiar? What if the entire idea of fixing yourself is the very thing keeping you broken? It's the self-help trap, a billion-dollar industry that sells the belief that you are never enough, but always almost there, if only you keep buying. We're surrounded by one message. You are broken, but fixable, if you just do more. There's a book for your childhood wounds, a program for your productivity, a journaling routine for your anxiety, a breathwork app for your trauma. And here's the kicker. None of them really work, but they make you feel like you're working on yourself. It's therapy cosplay, healing LARPing, and it's addictive. The self-help world thrives on a paradox. You need to be broken enough to seek help, but hopeful enough to keep spending. Psychologically, this taps into something deep: the shame of not being enough, the hope of becoming better, and the illusion of control through trying harder. But growth isn't linear, and healing isn't a checklist. No one tells you. Sometimes you're just sad, and that's okay. Or that some pain doesn't get fixed, just integrated. Instead, you're sold a fantasy of becoming your highest self. Except, no one knows what that really means. Not even the experts. The real damage? Healing culture often masks perfectionism, breeds chronic dissatisfaction, turns growth into spiritual consumerism, and shifts the blame for pain onto the individual for not working hard enough. It's a lonely loop, a treadmill with inspirational quotes taped to it. Real growth doesn't always look like glowing skin and clean routines. Sometimes it looks like surviving, saying no, not doing the right thing. You don't always need a new tool. Maybe you just need rest. Maybe your life doesn't need more healing. It needs less pretending. Healing isn't a race, and you're not a project. You're a person.